Don't listen to people who make you feel less about yourself. You won't realize it right now, but you will regret it later. Hi guys, my name is Vishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about that why you should never even talk to those type of people who try to put you down. Let's get into the video. Firstly, I think it's in the vibe. You will clearly know who feel good for you and who is try to put you down and make you feel bad about yourself. There are 100 in a one person who wants the best for you. Otherwise, the rest will try to put you down, try to make you count all the bad things about you. And what you want to do, what you should do, only listen to that one person who is trying to lift you up, not to the rest 99 who are only making you count your bad things. We are human being and every human being knows their flaws. I know what is my flaw and I know what is my strength. If someone is coming and trying to tell me my flaws with the weird expressions, that person is only and only trying to insult me. That person is trying to embarrass me front of 100 people. That person is only trying to put me down. That person is only there to make me feel bad about myself. I already know what is my flaws. I am aware about that. But if someone came to you only to tell you that what are you doing is wrong, how you behaving is wrong, what you wearing is wrong, how you reacting is wrong, that person is not your well-wisher. That person is only trying to drain you and only trying to put you down and trying to make you feel bad about yourself. And at that moment you will listen to those people and you will be feel like, oh, this person is right, I am feeling so insulted right now, I have this flow. After a time, when we move on from that situation, we get mature for that situation, we'll be like, why the hell I listened to that person? And I wasted my this amount of time because of my this insecurity. And not only because I was feeling the certain way, it's because someone else was coming to me and telling me that I don't look good and I have this insecurity inside me or about me, and I shouldn't feel confident, I shouldn't do this, and you will regret it so hard, so hard. You will feel like, why the hell I listened to those people, why I wasted my precious time listening to those people. You will regret it. There is this saying in which Indians usually say, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. Let them say whatever they want to say, but do not let those sayings affect you. Do not let them do that, because all they are trying to do is put you down. And if you are putting yourself down by listening to those people, you are making them successful in whatever they were trying to do. You lose, they win. So what you have to do, you don't listen to them. You don't listen to them. Otherwise, you will regret it later and you will feel like again that why the hell I wasted my precious time in listening to those people. So you better stop listening to these stupid peoples. Whoever trying to put you down, whoever trying to insult you and trying to drain you, trying to manipulate you, trying to make you feel insecure about yourself, because you are so perfect the way you are. You are so beautiful the way you are. You are so perfect the way you are. You speak perfectly. You walk perfectly. You look so perfect. Your height is perfect, your body is perfect, your color is perfect, your hair is perfect, your like, career is perfect, everything is perfect about you, and you need to believe that. If someone is coming to you and telling you that you are not doing this, like you are not good at this, don't listen to these people. Stop listening to them, because if you listen to them, you lose yourself, you lose your self confidence, you won't feel worthy enough, and you better feel worthy, because you are so much that anyone can have. Literally, you are everything, everything. These people are coming to you to make you feel insecure about yourself, because these people are insecure to you. Only a person who is insecure about themselves, only those people will say bad about other people's. A secure person, beautiful, smart, intelligent, and a secure person will never say a bad thing about anyone. And you are that secure person. If someone is coming to you and telling you and trying to, make you feel bad about your flaws, that person is the most insecure person. And you better not listen to insecure person. You are the secure person, and you listen to yourself. You do whatever you want to do. You never ever give a damn who is, like, trying to put you down. Never, never. Like, if you start to listen to these other people who are, trying to say bad things about you, trying to put you down, you lose your self-worth. And self-worth is everything. Self-worth is the first step towards your dream. And if you lose your self-worth, how you will become successful in your life? Those people don't want you to get success. This is why they are trying to tell you your insecurities. This is why they are making you count your insecurities, your flaws, because they don't want you to achieve your dreams. They know that you are such a great person, and if you continue doing that, you will win. And they don't want you to win because they are insecure people. They are insecure. So all they can do is tell you that you are a bad person. You have this flaw. You can't do this. All they can do is, trying to make you count your flaws. But you are the secure person. Be the secure person. If someone is telling you you can't do this, okay, and don't listen to them. It is as simple as that. It is up to you if you want to listen and let them affect you, and if you just don't listen to them and make a one step ahead towards your dream. That is totally up to you. These people try to shake your confidence. You are so confident the way you are. You are so beautiful the way you are. You are so perfect the way you are. They are not perfect. They are not confident. They are not secure. So they feel jealous. The way you look, the way you feel, the way you say. They are insecure. This is why they want you also to feel insecure. This is why they make you count your flaws. God has created every single human being in a different way. Everyone is so different to each other. Everyone have their own flaws and their own strength. You have your own flaws, your own strength, and you know about them. Someone else no need to come to you and tell you that you can do this or you can't do this. And those people are coming and telling you that you can't do this. They have nothing to do. They literally have nothing to do. They are jobless. They are jobless. Are you jobless? Are you jobless if you are listening to those people? Because if you are also jobless, you will listen to them. But if you have a job, if you have a work to do, you won't listen to them, because you won't have time for that. You see? So you have to make yourself so busy, make yourself so confident about what you are doing, so you don't have time to listen to these stupid peoples and their stupid opinions. So they won't let you make you feel insecure about yourself. Insecurities are normal, But if you are letting that insecurity affect you so deeply that you feel so much like lack of confidence inside you, and you are not able to do what you really want to do, that is a problem. You better not let that insecurity affect you, because everyone have insecurities. Everyone have insecurities. You better not let that insecurity affect your goal. You make your insecurity your power, and you do whatever you want to do. You achieve your dreams, and let that insecurity see you winning. This is how you grow. This is how self confidence, you grow self confidence inside you. And you tell these people that their opinion doesn't matter to you, their point of view doesn't bother you, and you don't need anyone else's advice who is trying to put you down. They have nothing to do, you have so much to do. So it is up to you. You want to listen to these people, or you just want to live the life you always dream of. That is absolutely up to you. It is your call how you want to feel, if you want to let these people affect you, or if you don't want to let them affect you. It is totally up to you. If you are listening to me, let them say whatever they want to say, let them do whatever they want to do. You listen to yourself, you do whatever you want to do. Better work hard, make your insecurities your power, your strength, and go for it. Just go for it. Do not let the society and the people affect your goal. Do not listen to them. They won't provide you. People's opinion won't provide you, or not even people will provide you. All they can do is make you feel about yourself. They can't do anything else about you, or not for you. They won't. If you lose, they will make fun of you. So you better listen to yourself, make your insecurity your power, and achieve your dreams. Do whatever you want to do. You are so perfect the way you are. You are so beautiful the way you are. And yeah, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share, subscribe to our channel. I will come back tomorrow with something new, with something more interesting. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye.